Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah. Now. Okay. I'm having an employee number. Okay. Let me check with the organization management. Okay. This organized unit. This is the org unit. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the position holding, and this is the job he is doing. Simply, the relation between organized unit and personal administration in Infotech 1 only, and that is called position, job, and org unit. These three fields are belongs to org unit. So, if you can see these three fields, the same data will be available in OM as well.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll open one more screen. Okay. Like PA30 is our PA personal administration front end screen. The same thing, organization management front end screen is PP01.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just considering this org unit.
You are saying org unit, right? In the requirement,
Yes.
they have given position. Based on the Infotype 1 plans, we have to
No,
go...
no, I'm not going through your requirement. I'm just
Okay.
going through the basic
Basic part.
OM.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is org unit. I want to see the relationship. Then go overview. See, you see the overview. This org unit and position and job and employee. Now, org unit 564. This is 564. This one. Position.
Org unit 8. It is 86, right?
Org unit. No, org unit. Our org unit is
org unit.
564.
Yeah.
I have already considered the 564. 564 B003 relation.
Okay.
Okay. 86. Then job 11871. Have you any idea about how this is work? How this is in real time scenario? How organized management is working? Do you have an idea earlier?
No.
No. So in that case, let me give all the basic things.
Okay. So it starts with HRP.
So HRP 1000 and 1001. 1000 is fixed. 1001 is for relationship.
That's it. No other.
Yeah, there are major tables, two tables. Apart from this, there are other tables also. But we, in real time scenarios, normally they use only these two tables.
Okay.
Okay. See, bottom up and top down. These are A and B. Bottom up in the sense from bottom up. Bottom up means from employee to the manager.
Okay.
See, suppose if you are reporting to one person, so you are the employee and he is a manager, right?
Okay.
There is a relation, is there? Both of you?
Yes.
In the same way, from manager point of view also you have a relation, vice versa relation.
Okay.
Okay. So each and every object have a vice versa relation. Suppose if you are reporting to one manager, ultimately under manager you are the employee. Okay? The same way, one employee having one position, one org unit, one job.
Okay.
Right. Why position and job? Let me explain. Suppose you are working in CTS is CEO is there. He is sitting somewhere. Okay. And your local some competency head is there. He is reporting to CEO. But CEO and your local head versus not today is CEO, might be tomorrow a different person is CEO, right?
Yes.
So CEO is a position, okay, and one person, X person is holding the CEO position. So tomorrow might be Y person is holding.
Okay.
Person will be changed, but position will be common.
Okay.
The same way, CEO, which company CEO? So he is having in one org unit.
Okay.
So he is CEO of one org unit. Means the position is CEO of one org unit, and the CEO position is occupied by X person.
Okay.
You understand the relation?
Yeah.
Because suppose you are a consultant. Today you are holding. Might be tomorrow if you are leaving the company, the other person will hold your position.
Okay.
The position is common, but the employee number is different. Tomorrow you one person, maybe might be day after tomorrow, or after 2 years the person will be different.
Okay.
So that is the reason the SAP is given such a way that each employee while creating we have to assign organ. Organ means which organ it belongs to.
Okay.
Suppose he is a Cognizant India employee or Cognizant Hyderabad one location employee. They will segregate it organizational units, company codes, and personal area, personal sub area. This anyway you know because we have already discussed the same thing in our personal administration, right?
Okay.
So now the top down and bottom up relation will be vice versa for each and every employee. Now let me explain you how we can identify the manager. Okay? Simply, there is a org unit having 10 employees. Yes?
Okay.
Because your team members, suppose let's say your team members 10 members are there, so 10 members are in one org unit. But your manager will be also there in the project. You are all reporting to one person, to the manager.
Right.
That manager position is managed in the org unit.
Okay.
You understand this point?
Manager will be managed in the org unit.
Yes.
Means if there are 10 team members, 9 members are the employees holding some positions, and manager would be one of them.
Yeah, manager is also holding the position,
Another position,
and employee is also holding the position. So all 10 persons are in one org unit.
Okay.
But the manager position is a different relation. So that is the reason he is a manager. I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll show you. Let's say I'm considering this is employee number, right?
Yes.
I just want to get this manager. Okay, we need to pass plan version. Today's date. We are passing P. P is a person, S is a position, O is org unit, C is a job.
Can you pardon again?
Yeah. Employee means P, person.
Okay.
You can identify that object type is a P.
Okay.
O means org unit.
Okay.
S means position. C means job.
Yes.
Okay? I'm giving plan version in the sense plan version current plan. 01 means current plan.
Okay.
Okay?
Plan.
So 23/5/2004 is my date which I want to get the data. Then P is object type, P is means person. Then who is the person? 1007 is my person. I want to get his manager, reporting manager. Just put F5, you will get the manager. This is 10008 is a manager of 1007.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now we need to identify how is manager. Take 1007 first.
Okay.
You can write down somewhere, okay?
Yeah.
1007. Yeah, 1007 because he is an employee. So employee position is 86, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this position is reporting to some other position.
Yeah, I could check.
I just want to check this position is reporting to. Huh?
Do we have a transaction to check like one manager and underneath the employee? Yeah, PA30.
Yes. PP01, go to PP01.
PP01. PP01.
Yeah, PP01. Then I'm giving position. Okay, position. Giving position here, my position. I need to check the relationship here. Okay, go to here. See, this position is reports to 70 position. Okay?
Okay.
Now take this position.
We have position as 86.
Yeah, our position is 86. Initially we have given 86 initially.
Okay, and after
86.
yeah. Okay, after 86,
So
we
86
go to
then relationship. I need to check this position is reporting to which position.
Okay.
This position is reporting to 70 position. Okay? Because here if you can see reports to.
Reports to. What is the meaning of holder? Holder means the position it is holding. Manages means
Yeah. Managers means who is managing the org unit.
managing the org unit. So that is different. That is
Yes.
not the manager. Reports to is actually the manager.
No, there are two scenarios.
Okay.
Let me explain in this system scenario.
Hmm.
Then I'll explain, maybe might be your scenario will be not much difference, only the small difference only. Okay?
Okay.
The business scenario. I give you two kind of examples.
Okay.
Now, 86 is a employee position. Then this employee position is reports to 70. Okay?
Yes.
70 is also position, right?
Yes.
Now come back again. Instead of 86, because he is also position.
Correct.
Now I need to identify who is holder of this position. Right?
Okay.
Holder is A008. He is a holder.
Okay. The other way around.
See?
I'm
If
getting
you
it.
can
Yeah.
see, 1008 is a manager.
We got it.
Got it?
Yes.
But normally in HR scenarios, how we can identify that? As I said, right, there is example. Your team members are 10 people.
Yes.
10 people are belongs to one org unit.
Correct.
But out of 10 people might be one is one who is managing the org unit. Means
Correct.
how we need to identify that kind of scenario? Take a employee org unit. Okay?
Okay.
We need to identify who is managing the org unit.
Okay.
We will get a position B012. That is managing by. So you will get a position.
Okay.
Which position you will get? Your manager position you will get. Because out of 10 persons, everybody is holding the same org, but one who is having a relationship B012.
Okay.
So you need to identify that position, take that position and get who is holding the position. B008. Simple. Only the first step will be.
So the first
Here we
step is position, and from the position we come to PP01, and then apply
Yes,
the position, and then we get the
Who
reports.
is your, yeah, our current position is reports to which position?
Okay.
You need to identify the position
Okay.
and take that position and who is holding the position.
Okay.
Is the employee, is the manager.
Manager name.
But now the normal scenario, how it works? First you need to take the org unit of the employee.
Okay.
Right? Who is managing by org unit? You need to take the position. So go to S and you can get it. Because you are giving org unit and you will get position. Managing position. Then take the position and put who is holder. Might be this is your scenario. Right? Tell me yesterday how you get this your manager?
Yeah, the scenario is not from org unit, it is from position.
Okay.
What they are expecting is from an employee. If we get an employee, from the employee we go to info type 1, we'll get the position,
Okay.
take the
Right.
position and use it in HRP 1001. Okay, plan version as 1, action type as, there is plan version as 1, object type as A. Okay, then relation and
No. Object type is not yet. Object type is yes because you are giving position.
Object type is yes. Sorry. So
Right.
plan version
RSI
is
is yes.
yeah. Plan version is 1. Position is S. Okay. Then object ID is the plan. Value, position value, whichever we got for the
Right.
employee, and relationship is 2.
Yes, A002. So you mean to say the same thing. Well,
Yeah.
What we discussed in the current system.
Yeah, correct.
Same thing I guess.
You are showing in the transaction.
Yeah. Let me give you in HRP 1001 because ultimately we need to get it from HRP. This is a front end state. Let me give you that example also. Maybe you will be able to go to okay.
That is to identify the SOB ID. They are using a field called
Yes. So he's a employee positions, right?
yes.
Go here. This is employee position. If it is position means always yes here.
Yes.
So this is position.
S
Plan
01
01
A2.
A002.
Yes, correct.
Then you have to
date.
get the position.
Okay,
Yes,
it's class. They have not said anything about it. Okay.
Okay. But we have to because we are getting this position reports to another position, right? That's why down down we are giving yes. So now you can execute. Okay, you will get the entry. Now double click. Take the SOB ID.
We don't have to use big data.
Then you can use it because you use the latest record only, right? Valid record only. We can use. That is your condition only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Take this position again. Put it here. Anyway, this is also position. Now, instead of going A002, A008, now you are looking for not position, person.
Correct.
Yes.
Same thing they are doing.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, and then take this employee number and go to this thing, input type 105 and get the user ID.
Right, correct.
But when you're giving S, if you don't give S and execute, can you do that once?
Yeah, you will get it. You will get it.
Just don't give S.
Yeah.
Don't give the class value. And change this to the previous position. No, not this one. Change this to the previous position. The position that we just saw, 86, I think.
Yeah, 86. You mean to say.
Yeah.
86
And 2.
A002, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
You will get here
Now, okay. So this is what they need when they are using when I am going to process interface for all records. This is fine. There is no problem. But for changes, I will have a question. Once you are done with the session, then at the end I'll ask the question.
Okay. So now this is the scenario what they are expecting.
Yes, this is clear.
There is a transition code PPOME_volt. Go to this transition code.
Can you
PPOM_volt.
PPOM.
PPOM underscore volt. Take the org unit of the employee. Not this employee. We'll take the manager org unit. 107 is a manager, right?
Okay.
Right? Okay. Now see, I just pressed enter only. It came to the next screen. I just pressed enter. So the moment I press enter, it came to the next screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now if you can see here, go to okay, key on. Key on means it will give you the what are the objects like whether it's a position, whether it's the org unit, whether it is a employee. Now see. Now see the employee 8 is a Hilder Muller and is having org unit 5 finance and admins. See, finance and admins, it is org unit and holding by this guy.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give you this also, staff assignments. So you will get the other numbers also, positions also.
Oh. These are the persons who are assigned under that manager. Under that org unit.
Under that org unit, if you can see, under 5, how many org units are there? 5, 6, 8, 17,
Okay,
these are the org units, right? How we can find this org unit whether assigned or not? Just simply go to PP01. Okay? PP01. Org unit, yes, or org unit, relationship, go to your relationship simply. So now 568. This is 568, 73. Okay? 568, 73, 563, 564, 565,
All are org
566,
units.
4475. Somewhere you can see the 4475. See, then 572, 572. If you can see, all are A0002 relations. Sorry, B002 relations. Because these are line supervised. So B002 is in all org units are assigned to this org unit.
Okay.
Means this 572, this 447 reports to this org unit only. Because these all org units under 5 org unit only.
Okay. Got the project.
Next, if you go to 564, what we checked earlier, 564 having these many positions.
Okay.
Okay? And in that case, this employee is holding 86 position.
Okay.
So, this 1007 person is holding this position. This position is reporting to this position belongs to this org unit. This org unit is reports to 5. That's why it is a manager.
Okay.
So if you can see, each and every org unit one cap symbol. Yes?
Okay. Yes, reader.
Yeah, cap symbol in the sense chief of the org unit.
Sheep.
Chief in the sense manager. Chief of the org unit.
Okay, chief of the org unit.
So if you see this 572 Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I think it went for
Yeah,
call.
it's taking time.
Oh,
No,
okay.
it's taking time.
No problem.
Again, it's got disconnected.
Again, same problem happening. We have to talk to one work today. Oh, no.
Happened.
It's not working.
Not working. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I will see. At my end,
Check that.
yes, at my end also same problem. Yeah, I can share the screen. Srinivas. Yeah, Srinivas, are you there?
Yeah.
I can start screen sharing.
Yeah. Now it's
No,
working.
it is working. We were at TPUM old.
Yeah.
1007 was the employee.
1008 is the employee number.
Yeah.
Now I'm just considering this argument because he's a cheap rate. Okay?
Okay, this is by our unit.
No. Okay? So if you want to see your organization structure, so we can see all the organization structure. Or there is one more new P code is also there. This is I think old transition code. That's the PPOM underscore. PPOM somewhere we can get.
What is PPOS? I just got the name from the internet, so I'm not sure what is PPOS.
Let me get. There is a
It
transition.
looks like almost the same thing what you're showing me here.
Yes. Sir, 1 second. Let me check that also.
The same thing it looks like.
Yes, same thing only. No. This is a display. PPOS is a display and PPOM is change.
Okay.
This display. I'll go to the display only. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if you can see here, see, director, he is a chief of the org unit, Halde Muller, and under that, there are other persons are there, because this is the main org unit. Under that, we have other org unit. If you can see, it comes down. So, internal services, John Kubat.
Okay.
Internal services, John Kubat. Okay, then travel expenses, Arnim one section somewhere. See, so you will get here also that the what it is, the graphical view is different. Understand the point?
No, graphical view I'm not understanding. I understood that.
Graphical view in the sense, this here it is showing like this.
Okay. It is just
Here it is showing like this. But ultimately, the assignment, everything will be, this is just a front end kind of thing.
okay.
So where we can identify that how the organization structure is mapped and who is holding, how many positions, everything we will get it either here or either. Suppose if you want to change this one, here you can create a position, see, create a position under that any org unit or assign a holder. Suppose if you create a position, under that position if you want to assign a holder, you can assign it here. Here also, because this is a P pose, right? So here we cannot, here we can create it. You can see, okay, you can see change both here.
No, finance and administration is the org unit. Director is one employee detail. If you go to director finance, that particular part of the hierarchy, yeah. Open that.
Right?
So this is the employee.
Employee.
Okay.
See, that's why showing this is org unit box, this is a position, see manager, and he is an employee, person. He's
So
a
director
user.
finance is the manager and Hilde Muller is
Yes.
the employee. Okay, like that.
Yes.
So this is how they represent.
Yes. Here also you can see. So the finance and administration is a org unit holding this person. Okay. And let me give you one more function module. Go to this one, SC37. RH. Okay, RH underscore get underscore, RH struct get. There is a master function module which will give you the org hierarchy. Suppose I want to get all the organizational hierarchy of this one. Okay?
Okay.
See this one. Okay. What type is O, right? This is argument. Here O. So you need organizational unit, under the organizational unit, under the position if you want. Okay? Plan version 01, right? What are the parameters I have passed? Just check the parameters.
I didn't understand OOS.
O means organizational unit,
Okay.
under the org unit, under the positions. Suppose, let's say an example, there is a org unit. Under that org unit is there?
What is the surety? Like under every org unit will have a child org unit.
Might be or might not be.
Then we have to see the structure and apply it here then.
No, suppose if you don't have org unit under org unit,
Yeah.
definitely if you have it will give you. If you don't have it will not give you anything. But
Okay,
you
so
can
it doesn't
pass
matter.
it.
You can always pass
That is
it.
my answer. So if an organizational hierarchy having these kind of relations, the output will come like this: org unit, then child org unit, then positions. But every org unit have child org units. Why? Because your CU is there, then India, then location wise, and building wise, they will divide it such a way. Because your project is different, other project is different. Not all persons are reporting to one manager, right?
Okay. Yes.
So definitely we will get it. So now put apply. See 94
Positions.
out of 94, the first one is your org unit. Okay. Second 568. Third one. Why third one? 560 and under one is there. See one.
Got it.
Okay. Then under 160 positions is there. Under 1 you see 60, 120, 526, 527 is there. Then 5002 आ गया, मतलब here 2, this one. So under positions, see 61, 25, 211, 116. Again org unit 3. Under that, we have 62, 212. See, check the so on. Understand?
Okay.
Now, if I go back, if I now given, just I want to go to only. Will you get anything? Let me check. See, how many?
3.
501. Are you able to get why 501 came?
No, 101 I'm not understanding. If you go back to the last screen.
It is giving the top relations. So 5 is
Okay.
reporting to 100, 100 is reporting to 1.
Okay.
So 1 is a root argument. Okay. Let me give you that example. Then okay. This is the root argument. You can see somewhere we will get 100. Yes, 100, right?
Okay.
Then somewhere you will get 5. Then how system is identifying? We are in 5. 5 is reporting to 100. 100 is reporting to 1. Means top down. So it is giving till top.
Okay.
Or we can give one more relations here. See, both are same.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you go
A0
back to the
means
input
reports to.
parameters?
Sorry?
Can you go back to the function parameters?
Okay, function parameter.
So you are giving A002. That is nothing but
Yeah.
R sign and relation.
Yeah, no, R sign and relation means yes, like subtype. So we need to check the reports to this argument reports to how many arguments. So for this argument might be 2. Suppose if you take a different argument, I'll give you one example here. I'll give you one other example. See, 5 under 564 is there, right? That 1007 employee. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening and following.
This 5 argument belongs to 1008 employee. This 564 argument belongs to 1007, right? So if I want to check this A0 relation, see 564, then 5, then 100, because 564 is reporting to 5, 5 is reporting to 100, 100 is reporting to 1. Okay?
So again, I want to check the function parameters once.
Yeah,
Go to
yeah.
the function module, yeah. This function module is helpful.
Sorry?
This function module is helpful to get the org unit.
The organization unit hierarchy.
Organization unit.
Hierarchy in the sense, suppose you are the employee. If you want to get the top, you need to pass all the relation. Suppose if you want to get the down, bottom, you need to pass it. This relation is important. It's ACQ underscore AJD. Okay, let me give you one second. Go to the same function module. Here, what are the parameters we are passing majorly? The relation is important right here. See, relation. Go to relation. Evaluation part. Go to the check table of this one. And here you will find all the relations here. Okay, see A0, all the relationships.
Now I
A0
understood.
report.
Correct.
Okay. There is a one more relations. I'll give you one more relation is there. All assign something is there. See, all work center, already everything will give you. Okay. Okay. All work center, arguments and capacity persons. I just want to check this relation as well. Okay. So, and I want to check the argument of the manager. See, all assigned in the sense same A002 relation.
Okay.
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 Suppose go to S to P means you need argument positions and employees also.
Okay.
So if you can, how many figures? 165.
165.
Yeah, 160 because it contains arguments, positions and persons also.
Okay.
And one more thing I want to share with you, Sahili, a previous example. Go to go and trace. Okay.
Okay.
See here we have seen that 5 belongs to 68. Then under 68 1 this 60 everything is there. These are the positions. If you want to identify the org hierarchy, there is one more table, right? The last result one. Go to this one, and here you can see the level. 5 is a level 1, then 568 is a level 2. You can see. Okay, 5 is a level 1 and 568 is a level 2. Okay, then 5001 is a level 3 under this level 3 and 5002 is a level 4. 5002 is a level 4. Let me check somewhere. Yeah, sorry. 5001 and 2 and 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a level 4 only, right? Because this under level 1, level 2, these are the level 3. So level 4 is here. If you have any argument, it will come here level 4. If you check this one, 60, the position in level 4. See, 60 is in level 4. Understand this?
Got it.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, you got it. Because
Yes.
you need to identify the levels as well. See, the levels, how many levels?
So it gives all the details of an
All the
argument.
details with the levels as well.
With levels as
Suppose
well.
if argument, if it is position or if it is person, is in which level? Either level 2, either level 3, either level 4, which level will be?
So also hierarchy level.
Yeah, complete org hierarchy will give. If you want to get org hierarchy, then it is better using this function model rather than going select HR 2001.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me your views.
Yeah. The question that I have, it's not exactly a question, it's a verification because I'm almost done with the entire report.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to go to HRP 1001. Take the same example, 1007, 1008.
Okay.
Okay. So it was HRC 1001, and you have to give the position of 1007, whatever position we have in PA13.
Okay.
S and then 01.
Okay.
Okay, and then A 002 Now for date criteria,
Okay.
what they are expecting is they want to know the reporting line change. Okay,
Okay.
changes on reporting line. So the Begda, you can give a date, any date. If you give today's date and say less than equal to, less than equal to, give today's date, whatever the date you can, or some other date where we have data on this, or an AEDTM.
Okay.
Yes, here you give the same date.
Okay.
Okay, now execute.
Will not get anything.
No, but in my system I can see, but it may not be the same date. Some other employee in that date. Some other employee in that date is possible. If you just take HRC 1001 and take any date and find the AEDTM, we can use that position further.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm giving the date.
AEDTM. Okay.
Yes, I got the record.
Okay, now here you are getting one record, right?
Yes.
For my scenario, maximum data that I can see in the client system, they have at least 2 or 3. Means there has been 3 changes,
Yes.
right? So what is the
Yes.
what are they expecting is from that 3 changes means I have to store the records in a table from HRP
Okay.
1001 in the internal
Okay.
table. Then again I have to look at that and check which is the valid record based on the screen key date.
Simply,
Yeah.
so you are getting single or the valid while getting HRP 1001.
Correct.
Are you getting all the records?
Yeah, HRP 1001, if I'm giving this any kind of date criteria, means it has been, that system has been maintained from a long time, right? So there are changes, okay, on that
Now,
employee
why-
position. I mean,
Why you are
reporting
getting 3
position.
records? Why you are getting three records?
I'll tell you dates.
Yeah. So in that case, if you pass even end date also in your selection criteria, you will get only 1 record. You will not get 4 records. Because simply I'll tell you. Let's say from 2002 onwards, X person is a manager. 2002 to 2007, other person is a manager. Now from
Correct.
2007 to 2014, different person is a manager. So info type 101, HRP 1001, you will have 3 records. But out of 3 records, the latest one is a valid record for your date.
Correct.
So if you pass begin date and end date, then you will get only 1 record. You will not get 3 records. That is SAP standard scenario.
Okay. So, but we have to use that change date. So, begin date, end date, and change date, you're saying?
Yes. You see, you can pass O type, object ID, plan version, resign and relate you can pass, and begin date you can pass less than, okay? Then end date you can pass, see, simply I give it here. End date I can pass it here, greater than or equal to.
Yeah, correct. I agree, because second step again, what they are expecting is that I should. There is a technical person, I think, from their end. So when I saw the exact data here. Okay, there were
Uh-huh.
3. There were first with that criteria. Just a moment.
Hello?
Yeah, Srinivas, I'm sorry. Actually,
Hello?
yeah. I'm
Yeah,
here.
no issues. No.
Okay. So,
Yeah, tell me, Saheli.
so what happened is when I showed you the first details in the table, I told you that I'm getting 3 records because there has been multiple changes on that position.
Okay.
Okay. Now, of course, when I went back and I gave the end date, I got the valid record.
Right?
Okay. So I can give these 3 dates over here. Okay.
Right.
Now if you take the SOB ID 17, right? If you take that and
Okay.
again execute this table.
Okay. Okay. Azure has a rate, right?
8, yes.
You will get only one record again.
Okay. So, but AEDTM, here they're asking me to check whether there are any changes or not.
Okay.
So, if you go back, you give which AEDTM?
You need a detail change here also?
Yes.
Okay.
1 second. Yeah. After that, we can take this 1008 and go to input type 105 to find its user
Yes.
ID. That is simple.
Right.
Yeah. So in this scenario, I don't think we need any function module. Just with the relationship and tables, we can get the data.
No, are you selecting individual or bunch of records?
No, it is the same screen criteria, right? File.
No. I'm asking that. See now, based on the info type, employee position, employee position, you are getting A002 to the employee manager position. So this logic is you have written in
Hello.
this logic you have written in get partner loop or just outside get partner.
This logic that I have coded, it is inside the get kernel.
So I think you have used select single, right?
Yeah, for this purpose of selecting one single employee manager.
Yes. Either you do one thing. First, after get partner in end of selection, anyway you have all the employees.
Yeah.
So using that employee, using that employee positions, you will get this relation, bunch of relations. Using this relation.
Yeah. I mean that is for all entries from.
Yes, for all entries. But make sure that once you get the employee position, this age-result relation, that SOB is a character value. So you need to convert into the different table, numeric value. Then you can write for all entries. Otherwise, it won't work.
Okay. But with select single, when I am using the SOB ID in the plan version, in the object ID. Okay, SOB ID I am going to use in the object ID, like I showed you, the example. That time it was retrieving the records.
Sorry, that time?
It was retrieving the actual record. I mean, I just...
It was retrieving because even where condition you can pass it. But if you want to use the for all entry, whatever the field you want to get,
yes, that I know. Correct.
At the scenario it will be. But if you select single, might be there is no difficulty. You will get it, no issues.
Okay, I can exactly read out what they are asking us to check when it is a change record.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, they are asking to detect employee number consists of reporting line change, which is effective on the given key date
Okay.
in HRP 1001.
Okay.
Then the next step underneath is detect employee number, which consists of backdated reporting line change
Okay.
made given key date, exclude future dated effective date.
Okay. So in that case, you need to get the all records, not for the valid record.
Yes,
You can
that's
get it all
why.
records. Yeah, you can get it. Then instead that you can just validate the begin date and date condition. Based on your begin date and date, if it is following the selection criteria, you can pass it. Otherwise, you can export it.
Okay, okay. That's
But
it.
you need to make sure that the performance is good. Because inside that
Get cornered. I have seen.
corner, you write means what?
AC30 is giving a big red line for some programs.
It will give two types database. One is based on employee position you are getting the reporting position. Based on the reporting position you are getting folder. And
Correct.
based on the folder you are again getting 105 for manager employee ID, right?
Yes.
3 times.
At least I can keep the info type 105 out.
No, it will not return because you are in a 1007 get corner. How you are able to get 1008 corner? 1008 is a different employee.
Yeah, we have to, entire thing should be out of get corner.
Yes, out of get corner or inside get corner, HR read info type or self, whatever.
Yeah, I will read the info type 1 for all the employees to get the position and the employee number, and from there I can go to end of selection and find out in HRP 1001.
That's better, right? That's always better.
That is always better, correct.
You need to select 3 times. Employee position to manager position to manager employee number to manager user ID.
Correct.
Yeah, better to use that kind of approach. If the data is huge, if your data volume is less, or you have a selection criteria in PNP partner, let's say I'm giving you only 10 employees or just very less employees in selection criteria, then you can use the current approach.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So tomorrow probably I'll be continuing the same session
Okay.
like organization management, other
Yeah, there are.
other related.
Okay.
So from Monday onwards, I'll start